Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Sound of Wine. This is my second video, and I have tried a couple of glasses of this beautiful wine, which is called Pieropan Amarone della Valpolicella. Della Valpolicella. My Italian friends, please correct me. After 2 glasses of this, I can speak at least English with an Italian accent. I think so. 4 glasses, I guess I can speak to aliens. But it's a beautiful wine. It is 100% certified organic wine. They harvest the grapes in September. They dry the grapes for 2 to 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. And then they age the wine in French oak barrels for at least 36 months. It has a very, very interesting taste. And as soon as I took my first sip and tasted this, the first thing that came to my mind was the spring of Antonio Vivaldi. The end of winter, translating the sound of birds, the green, the harvest, the hope to taste fresh tomatoes into music. So I'm going to have some of the notes of the spring of Antonio Vivaldi in mind and try to improvise on my beautiful handmade Shurangiz Persian instrument just to see where this wine takes me. I hope you enjoy it. Oh God, it's a piece of heaven. Piece of heaven.